Welcome to Breakfast Around the World. Today we're taking you to the heart of Afghanistan to explore a traditional Afghan breakfast. Let's dive into these amazing dishes that kickstart the day in this beautiful country. First up, we have Bolani. This crispy, pan-fried flatbread is filled with delicious ingredients like potatoes, lentils, or leeks. Bolani is a popular breakfast choice in Afghanistan, perfectly golden on the outside and bursting with flavor on the inside. It's often enjoyed with a side of yogurt or chutney, making it both hearty and satisfying. Of course, no Afghan breakfast is complete without chai. This isn't just any tea. It's black tea brewed with aromatic cardamom, sometimes sweetened with sugar or honey, and served with or without milk. Chai is more than just a drink. It's a ritual, a moment to pause and savor the warmth and flavor that perfectly complements any meal. Next, we have Shor Nakhod, a dish of spiced chickpeas that's both simple and full of flavor. Cooked with garlic, onions, and a blend of Afghan spices, it's often paired with fresh naan bread. This dish adds a hearty, protein-rich element to the breakfast, keeping you energized throughout the day. Finally, let's talk about Quroot. This is a dried yogurt or cheese that's salty, tangy, and absolutely unique to Afghan cuisine. Quroot can be crumbled over bread or added to other dishes for an extra kick of flavor. It's a perfect example of how Afghan breakfasts combine taste with tradition. An authentic Afghan breakfast that's as rich in tradition as it is in flavor. From the crispy bolani to the comforting warmth of chai, each dish tells a story of Afghanistan's vibrant culture. Join us next time as we continue to explore breakfasts from around the world.